Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to host a static website using AWS CloudFront Route 53 and S3 buckets. So we are going to upload the web file in the S3 bucket and use Route 53 to manage the domain name, and we are going to use CloudFront distribution to optimize the speed and enhance the security. So by the end of this video, you will be able to see your website faster, and the website also it's going to be secure. So let's go to the console and go to S3. Type S3 in your search bar, select S3, and for this tutorial I'm going to do mine in US East 1. So in US East 1, click create bucket, and I'm going to give the bucket a name and scroll down and leave everything as default, and then click create. So once the website is created, we need to upload the file. My file is on the other screen, so let me go there and select it and drag it down here and click upload. Okay, so while this is uploading, let's go to the CloudFront, right click it to open it in new tab, and there click create CloudFront distribution. Choose the origin. My origin, it should be the bucket that we just created. So this is mine, so it's Shagano static website cloud. So you select that, you leave this as the default, and for the origin access you select origin access control setting. That is what is recommended. So if you don't have any origin access, you can create one by just clicking create new origin access. So just click it and just click create. Okay, once we finish in creating the CloudFront distribution, it's going to give us a policy that we are going to use to update our S3 bucket. So leave everything as default here, and the viewer redirect, select redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Leave everything as default. Origin policy access. Origin policy access, you leave it as default. Leave everything here as default and scroll down to web application firewall. Select do not enable security protection. And here for the setting, we are going to use all edge location so that we can see our website faster. For the alternative domain name, put your domain name. I'm going to put my domain name here, and SSL certificate. If you have one, you can select one, but if you don't have one, just create one. I have one, so I select it, but if you don't have one, it's very easy to do. So scroll down, and for the default route up objects, we are going to put index.html and leave everything as default, and then click create distribution. Okay, so now our distribution is deployed, so it might take a few minutes. So let's go back to the S3 bucket. Yeah, here as you can see, all my files are uploaded. So in the meantime here, we can copy the policy from the CloudFront distribution by clicking copy policy right here. Copy it, go to your S3 bucket, and in the bucket that you just created, click on permission and go down to bucket policy and click edit policy, and just paste your policy here and click save. As you can see, the bucket aren't here. It should be same thing as here, as here. It should be same thing. Okay, so once you select that, click save, and now we are just waiting on the CloudFront distribution to be deployed. So this might take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, after waiting for a couple minutes, the CloudFront distribution is deployed. So now we are going to create Route 53 a record. So click Route 53 and right click on it to open it in new tab. Go there and go to your go to Route 53, and we are going to create a okay. Once you go to the Route 53, select DNS manage hosted zone and click on your domain name, and we are going to create an a record. So click create a record and enter your domain, toggle the alias and select alias to CloudFront distribution, because we want to use an a record to be able to see our website. So CloudFront distribution, and here you select the CloudFront distribution and you just click create. So this will take about a minute. If you click on the statue here, it says it's pending. I'm going to wait a little bit. Click refreshing. I'm going to wait for, okay, after waiting about a minute, the statue set in sync. So if you go to your a record and you select the a record that you create and you copy the domain name and go to new tab, open open new incognito window, and you paste your website. You should be able to see your domain. So here you go. Welcome to welcome to Amazon S3 Bucket and CloudFront. So this is how you host a static website on AWS using CloudFront distribution, route table and S3 bucket. As you can see here, our domain is secure. So make sure you delete your resources to not get jammed. Thank you.